Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a blog in the Canva website. So first we go to home page. As you can see in the home page there are a lot of projects here, but we can just search on blog or blog. So once we search on blog, we can find a lot of templates of a blog here. So we can go to templates, then just search on blog. So here we can see that we can customize some templates of the blogs here. So for example, on this blog, we have Venice. As you can see here, you can just try to make your own blog, create your elements. Let's say if you want Tokyo, you just put Tokyo, then get a picture of Tokyo. So upon getting the picture of Tokyo, just put it here. Then like we can just easily replace this. Then let's say day one in Shibuya. So just get a picture of maybe Shibuya. There we go. Then just move it here and put it here. So we can see here Shibuya. Then export a market here. Or we can just edit this and change this like Shibuya place to shop, dine, and get some entertainment. So upon making blogs, there is a lot of customizations that you can do here. Like you can just add some headings, text, put some page numbers, just add or get some more templates. So the blog really depends on your style as a blogger. So that's how easy it is to make a blog here at Canva website. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come.